This swing bridge is the Alabama and Gulf Coast Railroad swing bridge. It was built in 1915 by the American Bridge Company in Alabama and Gulf Coast Railway. Now, this bridge crosses the Alabama River, and it's in Pine Hill, but it's near Coy, Alabama. And I believe this bridge is still in use. And you see, it's swinging, and then I'm gonna show you when it's in its closed position for rail traffic. You see, this bridge is in closed position. Now you got two approach truss bands. And look at the detail of this swing bridge in Coy, Alabama, near Pine Hill. And so it's built in 1915, and it's still in use, for rail traffic. And it crosses the Alabama River in Coy, Alabama.